Everyone, welcome back to my channel JOBS4HIRE. So here this is class 17. We are learning about industrial relations for BBA and MBA. Right? In BBA you will get at third year, for MBA HR specialization, competitive exams, and jobs related to HR is compliance jobs. So do you know why industrial relations is important? It helps understand employer-employee relationship, important for factories and large organizations, related to labor laws, very useful for HR manager roles, frequently asked in exams. So now let's get into our topic, industrial relations. So what is the definition? The study of relationship between management and workers, which means industrial relations refers to the relationship between employer and employees in an organization. What is that? The relationship between employer and employees in an organization. The next one, objectives of IR. IR means industrial relations. Industrial relations, IR means maintain good relationship, prevent industrial disputes, improve cooperation, increase productivity, maintain industrial peace. Parties involved in IR. IR means I already told you, industrial relations. Employers, employees, government. Employers means management, employees means workers, government. So right. So let's take the example. In any company, there are two main groups: management, workers. Management, workers. If their relationship is good, then company runs smoothly. If not, problems like strikes happen. That relationship is called industrial relations. For example, like if workers demand higher wages and management refuses, right? Then conflict occurs. To avoid such conflicts, higher system is required. So here industrial relations means maintaining harmony between employer and employee. If you like this video, please do like, share, subscribe for more updates.